Hello adventurers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the heart of Italy with our exclusive guide, Top 5 Things to Do in Rome. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or just in love with Italian culture, Rome has something incredible for you. So, grab your sunglasses and let's explore the Eternal City. First on our list is the iconic Colosseum. Dive into ancient history and marvel at this architectural wonder. Don't miss the Roman Forum nearby, where you can walk through ruins that whisper tales of empires past. No visit to Rome is complete without indulging in its culinary delights. From classic pasta dishes like carbonara to refreshing gelato, Rome's food scene is a journey in itself. Tip: head to Trastevere for some of the best eateries. Art lovers, this one's for you. The Vatican Museums boast an incredible collection, including the Sistine Chapel. Pro tip: book tickets in advance to skip the long lines. Experience the charm of Roman piazzas. Piazza Navona, with its beautiful fountains and vibrant atmosphere, is a perfect spot to relax and enjoy street performances. Lastly, escape the city hustle in the tranquil Villa Borghese Gardens. It's a green oasis ideal for picnics, boat rides, or simply soaking up the sun. And that's our top 5 for Rome. If you love this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel tips and guides. Grazie for watching, and we'll see you in our next adventure. Ciao!